Hello. Let's see how we can change the Windows display language. I'm using Windows 11. So first step is to find the settings. One way is to press the Windows icon, find settings. Another way is to write to the search settings and click them. Then you go to time and language. What we need is language and region. There is another way, an easier way, where you can press the language selector here, left click, and choose press more keyboard settings. This way you get directly to the language and region settings. Here you can add a new language. I already have installed English and Greek. In order to add a new language, I click the Add Language button and search or scroll down to find the language I want, or just type the language. Let's say I need the French language. I'll choose this one. What will change is the display language, the text-to-speech language, the speech recognition, and the handwriting. Press Next. Here there are optional language features. You can remove some if you don't need them. You can set as your Windows display language and click Install. Now the language files are downloading. It's the language pack of the Windows, of the French language. And this can take up to a few minutes. We don't have to wait. It may take long. This took quite a long, so I let it finish and I continue the video now. You can now see I have the languages ahead, English, Greek, and the new language I installed, the French language. Now if I want my computer to start with French, I come here to the Windows display language and I change the language to French. Since I changed the Windows display language to French, Windows asked me to sign out. What it means is to restart the computer, and next time the computer restarts, it will display the French language. So I keep it with English, United States. If I want to remove a language I have installed, for example French, I come here to the list of the languages installed, to the installed languages. Press more options and remove. A pop-up window is asking if I'm sure to remove the French language. I press yes, and the language is removed. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.